What's up, everybody? It's your boy Detail Daddy. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a demonstration for you guys today. Um, I don't know how familiar you guys are with waterless washing, but like if you're in a hurry or it's kind of inconvenient for you to traditionally wash your car with a hose and all that stuff. Um, it's great like if you're traveling somewhere for a show, like a car show or something like that. Again, you don't have the time or you don't have the resources in order to like traditionally wash your car. You can use a waterless wash system. It's a lot less time consuming, in my opinion. I mean, obviously, it kind of seems like it takes you a little while to do it, but I mean, like me, when I think about, pulling out my pressure washer, pulling out my buckets, getting my foam can and everything set up, and then actually washing the vehicle, by the time I get done with that, it's maybe, it's been like an hour or so, if not a little bit longer, depending on the size of the vehicle. So, like when I wash my car, it can take me, it depends how long the wheels take, honestly. But like I say, it can take upwards of an hour or so. So this product actually isn't out on the market yet with Stay Fresh, but I got the hookup on it, and I kind of want to give you guys a little bit of a taste of it, before it comes out, so that way when it does get released, you guys know exactly what it's going to do for you. So just so you know, it's like on the DL, it's an unlabeled bottle. Reese Waterless Wash Test. So, like I said, I promise you, this is not out yet, and hopefully I don't get in trouble for showing you all, but I think it's kind of dope. As you can see, I already used a little bit of it yesterday. I tested it out. I cleaned my hood off and fenders real quick just to see. Again, because I am a sniffer. It smells good. It's a nice clean scent to it. But I'm going to kind of take you guys through the steps on how to do it if you've never done it before, and kind of show you guys a little bit of the results. But like I said, I'm actually trying to negotiate right now, even though it's not out on the market yet. I'm trying to get my hands on like a gallon of it, just so when I'm feeling lazy and I don't want to fully wash the car. You know what? This is another great thing is like if it's wintertime, a great place to start. Like if you have salt and stuff on your car, you run it through like a touchless, or you hit it with like a pressure washer and try and get all that majority of the surface salt and stuff off. And then like you take it home and then you hit it with this waterless and you just clean it and you're good to go, right? So it's super simple to use. How I'm going to show you guys today is using 2 microfibers. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this one into, we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to fold it in half again, right? So the way that I learned how to do this is essentially you're going to take this and you're going to saturate the surface of your microfiber, and then you use that back and forth long streaks in a section. You pull all that stuff off, and then you go back through and you can hit it again, and then you'll take your second microfiber you got here and then clean that surface off, like any of the rest of the residue that's on there, and then it leaves a great finish, in my opinion, honestly. So I'm going to show you guys here. Let me give you guys a close-up just so you see that my car is like actually dirty. So it rained. Gotta love all that McNasty from the rain. It always settles here on the hatch. The hatch always gets the worst of it. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. We're going to clean the hatch here. In waterless is safe for glass too. Alright, like I said, we are going to take our waterless. I'm going to shake it up a little bit just in case. And then, like I said, we're going to saturate the surface here. It's kind of, I don't know, I wouldn't say, it's kind of like a tropically fruit-ish kind of smell. It's a nice clean smell. I like it. So we have our microfiber. It's nice and saturated. We're going to take it. We're going to run it along. Make sure we get all that nasty off of there. All right, so as you can see, we pulled all kinds of stuff off. And then the great thing about folding the microfiber like this is now to do the bottom section of it, we're just going to flip it over. We have this new clean side. We're going to saturate that side, finish it off, and then we're going to hit it with our clean dry microfiber to finish it all off. So let's hit the rest of this here. We've been getting some nasty rain. Again, you can see kind of nasty there. So we just finished cleaning it. So we got our dirty microfiber. We're going to take our clean one now. Just take off any extra residue that may be left over. I don't know if you guys can quite see or hear it, but it's like, it's just gliding over the surface right now. So, I mean, I can feel that it's clean for sure. For sure. All right, so now we got that all cleaned off. Took all that nasty off of there. Real clean surface. And so I know I like doing kind of like the touch test. Right, so I did not touch that. Yeah, again, you can see some of that nasty on my hands. And here we go. This is the clean stuff we just hit on the hatch. Nice and smooth and clean, right? So, easy glide. As you can see, it's got great shine. And I mean, look, we barely used any of that, right? Whole hatch is clean. I mean, besides the window, I'm going to use window cleaner on it. But as you can see, like a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. I mean, a whole bottle will get you, you know, decently far. I mean, you'll probably get a couple cars worth out of it. So, highly suggest you look into it. Like I said, I'm trying to get my hands on some right now, even though it's not on the market yet. Hopefully, I can order. I can get like a gallon of it. That way I can be lazy and just kind of clean it in my garage. I mean, honestly, I want to ceramic coat the car, so I'll probably do a video on that soon. But then this'll make it easy to clean after that. Even though we don't have to use wax on the car after we ceramic coat it. But again, just kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of a product demo. I am excited about it. And I will definitely let you guys know when it does actually come out in the market and you guys can get your hands on some. It'll make your life a lot easier. I mean, it's not one of those things where, you know, you think that, you know, it's just some cheap gimmick. I mean, professional detailers use it. So it's not, you know, this gimmicky thing that people are just selling. It's like, it's legit. All right. So as you guys know, tomorrow we are going to be finishing up that Audi TT. We got polish. So we have our Optimum that we have from last time, but special treat for you guys. We are going to do a side-by-side test. So, like I said, this is a one-step polish, right? So you only use this, you don't use any compound before. But, like I said, we're gonna do a side-by-side. We have a compound right here, the Swirl and Haze remover. Yeah, a moderate swirl, moderate haze. So this is a traditional compound. But then, to finish it off, we have some hyper polish. And this is brand new. I just got this in yesterday. Brand new bottle. So we're going to be doing a product test of that as well. So we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of those and show you guys kind of the difference of doing the traditional two-step paint correction versus the one-step.